Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with WAEC 2019 Mathematics Objective Test. This is question 1. Express correct to three significant figures the number 0.003597. Now express this particular digit to three significant figures. Now what is a significant figure? Now significant figure simply refers to the number, the correct number of digits starting from the first non-zero digit. Now the correct number of digits starting from the first non-zero digit. Now in this particular question, 0 is a number, but it is not a non-zero digit because it's 0. A non-zero digit are digits that are not equal to 0. 0.00. Now they said three significant figures. 3 is the first non-zero digit, so we have 3. We start counting from 3 now because this is the first non-zero digit. So 5, this is 2, and this is the first, this is the second. Now they say three significant figures. Now we have what? We have 9. If you approximate, because the number after 9 is 7. Now if the numbers are between 5 to 9, you raise it up, you approximate higher, you raise the number up. But if the number is from 4, or let's say 0 to 4, if it's from 0 to 4, you approximate downwards. So now this number after 9, this number after 9 is 7, so it is more than 5, so you take it up. So this 9 will be taken up because the number after 9 is greater than 5. And when you are taking 9 up, what do you get? You get 10. Now in this context you can't write 10, so you move the 1 here, this one becomes 6. So this 5 here becomes 6. This 5 becomes 6, and then since it is 10, this becomes 0. So now if you are raising this thing to three significant figures, the answer is 0.00360. Now this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third significant figure. I say significant figure refers to all the numbers starting from the first non-zero digit. Now in this particular question, the first non-zero digit is 3. 3 is the first non-zero digit. So our answer is 0.00360, which is option C. Option C is the correct answer to this particular question. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.